This review is of Nature To Go Bing Cherries. It does have pits in it. There's no colors or flavors added. In addition to that fact, it's vegan, unsweetened, no gluten, non-GMO. And there's a blurb and ingredients. Sadly, they coated them in sunflower oil. And nutrition facts, which is the sunflower oil would be part of the reason that the calories are so high. Probably the main reason, actually, because just a spoonful of oil has so much in it. I mean, it's just full of calories. And it does say here 10 calories from fat. So, wow, they don't make this that easy to open, but that's okay because I'm persistent. There we go. Got it. Honestly, they don't taste like Bing cherries. They're kind of tart, not very though, and a little bit sweet. So to me, I think I'd rather stick to the other brand of dried cherries that I usually get rather than this one. I'll give these a 6. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.